Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure tray table, handset and footrest. Make sure window shades are drawn up. All mobile phones and electronic devices must now be turned off. As a safety requirement, please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you. Welcome to Tokyo Narita, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 5:19 in the evening on Wednesday, the 11th of September. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. All mobile phones and other portable electric devices must remain turned off until doors are open, as advised by the local authorities. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the weight compartments and check that you have not left anything behind. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach your ground staff after disembarkation. Passengers continue on to Los Angeles, you must disembark. Please check that you have not left anything behind, as security personnel will remove items found in the aircraft. Please also ensure that you have your boarding pass and passport with you. When you reboard the aircraft, please return to your allocated seat. A new set of crew will be joining you on your onward journey. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
皆様、成田国際空港に着陸いたしました。ただいまの時間は 9月11日水曜日午後5時19分、気温は25度でございます。ベルト着用のサインが消えますまでお座席にお座りのままお待ちください。当地の規定により飛行機のドアが開きますまで携帯電話および電気・電子機器のご使用はお控えください。お降りの際にはお忘れ物のございませんようご確認ください。頭上の物入れは飛行機が完全に停止してからお気をつけてお開けください。空港にてお手伝いの必要な方はシンガポール航空地上職員までお知らせください。引き続きロサンゼルスへお越しのお客様は出発ロビーでお待ちください。お降りの際には搭乗券、パスポート、すべての手荷物をお持ちになり、機内には何もお残しになりませんようお願い申し上げます。安全の規定により機内に残ったお荷物は飛行機より取り下ろさせていただきます。当地にて乗務員一同交代いたします。この先もどうぞ快適な空の旅へお続けください。こちら成田でお降りのお客様、ご搭乗ありがとうございました。この次もどうぞスターアライアンスメンバーシンガポール航空をご利用くださいますよう乗務員一同心よりお待ちしております。